Here's a major relief for thousands of international students on OPT as America prepares to end the duration of status system. The new DHS rule takes effect September 15th to seal replacing open-ended duration of status for international students with fixed periods of admission. But DHS has announced an important temporary exemption for students applying for post-completion OPT or STEM OPT. Students who timely file their OPT or STEM OPT applications on or before 6 months after the rule's effective date will not need to separately file Form Y-539 for an extension of stay. During this transition period, eligible students can continue using the existing OPT process and file Form I-765 for employment authorization. DHS may also extend this exemption in additional 6-month periods. Students already in America under duration of status, when the rule becomes effective, can generally remain through their I-20 program end date, or approved OPT or STEM OPT period, subject to the new overall time limit. This is especially important for Indians. Around 140,000 Indian students participated in OPT during the 2024 to 25 academic year. But there is a major travel warning. Students who leave America before filing Form 1765 and return under the new fixed admission system could lose this temporary exemption. They may then need to file both Form Y-765 and Form I-539. So, before international travel, OPT students should carefully check how the new September 15th rule affects their immigration status.